So how'd you like this week's episode? To honor our MVC this week, Chef Emily, I feel like we need to make her favorite cocktail. And that cocktail is the Boulevardier. Now the Boulevardier is a fun cocktail. It has a great history, and it's a history we know quite a bit about, unlike some others. Now the Boulevardier was born in Paris, a hub for expats during Prohibition times. The community had writers, photographers, artists, journalists, and, of course, socialites, also known as Boulevardiers. Boulevardier is essentially a well-to-do man about town, someone who dresses in fine things and goes out on the town. And the drink is actually named after a magazine, The Boulevardier, which ran from 1927 until 1932. Now the cocktail first appears in writing in 1927 in a book called Barflies and Cocktails, featuring equal parts sweet vermouth, bourbon, and Campari. Very much akin to a Negroni, just swapping the gin for bourbon. Like many classic cocktails of the era, it was phased out and forgotten really until the 2000s, where it had a beautiful resurgence, just like the Negroni. Now the modern version does not go for the 1-1-1 recipe because Campari is an incredibly strong flavor and can really drown out anything else within your cocktail. More common recipes today you'll find 1.5 to 1 to 1. It is one of those cocktails where it's not for everyone. It does have a little bit of a bitterness to it, and it's pretty high proof. It's nothing but liquor. The Boulevardier is truly a testament to the ingenuity of the expat culture, and it has been immortalized in the Parisian nightlife culture. And to thank the cocktail gods, it was brought back in the 2000s. And I know, shut up professor, make the damn cocktail. Now this is a stirred cocktail because it's all liquor. I'm gonna start off a little untraditionally. I'm gonna go with 6 drops of King Floyd's orange bitters, followed by my signed bottle of Brothers Bond Cask Proof. Let's get that sound. Oh, good cork. Now we're gonna go with 2 ounces or 60 mils of our Cask Proof Brothers Bond bourbon. And this bottle comes in at 114 proof. Next, Campari. Here we're going with 1 ounce or 30 mils Campari. Instead of going with sweet vermouth, we're gonna go with the Vermouth Rouge from Nollly Prat. Again, we're gonna go with 1 ounce or 30 mils. Got my big cube here, so give it a crack. And give it a stir. Throw on the strainer. Let's get a nice big coin off our orange here. And hopefully we get a nice big flame. Let's see. Almost nothing. Try that again. All right, our oranges aren't that great. Oh well. Get a little rub around there. Call it good. And there we are, the Boulevardier. The first thing you get is that beautiful orange oil scent. Followed by, you don't actually get the bourbon first, you get the Campari. Like I said, Campari is a very strong, very in-your-face flavor. But then you get that beautiful Brothers Bond Cask Proof. You get all those warm holiday spices, followed by a little bit of that Nollly Prat Vermouth Rouge. Cheers, Emily, to this week's MVC. It does taste very much like a southern version of a Negroni. Even though this cocktail was born in Paris, you can trace its lineage to the deep south, using bourbon as the main spirit. It's warmer than a Negroni, spicier than Negroni. And with this beautiful cask proof, sitting at 114 proof, it has a little bit of that burn you want when you're drinking a nice cocktail, especially a bourbon cocktail. If you want to check out the rest of my Yes Chef recipes, click right there. And if you want to check out some of my Sunday side dishes, click up there. And until next time, I am the Professor.